Hello, Assalamu alaikum guys. This is Mustafa, property consultant from Istanbul, Turkey. Welcome to this family-friendly environment in Istanbul, Turkey, in European part, especially Küçükçekmece, in one of the most famous developer among Turkish people. You can buy property from this location, from this developer, while you are closing your eyes, just like this guy, because it's very famous and it has a very high quality properties and finishing here. So today's project is a kindly suitable for families who are dreaming of to grow up their kids in Istanbul, Turkey, in a safe environment. Just take a look at this breathtaking views on landscape in Istanbul, Turkey, in one of the luxurious property. Guys, that is a children playground and there is a mosque inside the property, and here is the entrance. Let us see the property. Welcome to 3+1 apartment, a 3-bedroom apartment in Istanbul, Turkey, ready to move in. And here is the living room of the property, which is around a 40 square meter, and the sunlight is very important. It is hitting the apartment from each corner, so no need to turn on the light. Well, directly from the living room you come up to the balcony and you take a look at this breathtaking open view on the landscape of the property. And there is an access from the balcony directly into the kitchen, that is closet kitchen with the multi items that will be delivered with the property. And right now I'm inside a closet kitchen of the property that will be delivered with this high quality, and inside it we have an oven and a stove and dishwasher, and then we have a fridge inside it that will be delivered with this beautiful elegant kitchen. And it seems that this kitchen has been designed for people who loves to cook together, because it's a very big space in terms of the space. Let us not forget the entrance of the property. Here when you come on the left side of the property you have a fully smart system that you can control everything from here, and on the right side you have this cabinet space. And let us move into the right side to discover the rest of the rooms. So right now I am inside the apartment. Here is a room on the right side, and then we have another one on the right side. On the left side we have a common bathroom, and then we have a storage space just like this, and then we have a master bedroom right here with a bathroom.